Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to join affiliate program of Booking.com. First thing first, visit Booking.com affiliate partner program, then click join now. You can find it because it's the quarterback and everyone's traveling, so you could really benefit with this. If you already have a Booking account, you can log in with the same credentials. Otherwise, sign up with first and last name, email address, and password. Now, company, fill in the details, website or platform where you'll promote Booking.com, and select your business type. Now read and accept the affiliate program terms and conditions, then click join. Once approved, you'll get access to your affiliate partner center. From here, you can generate affiliate links, search boxes, banners, and travel deals widgets. Now you can place your affiliate links or banners on your site or social media, and every time someone books a hotel through your link, you earn a commission, usually up to 25% of Booking.com's cut. Just a tip, you don't need a registered business to join. Even personal bloggers or influencers can apply. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.